Hello students, in this video we will see few more problems on fractions. Here we will be solving the problems based on BODMAS rule. We'll have a quick revision. Whenever we have multiple expressions or multiple operations which need to be solved in a given simple expression, then the sequence in which the expressions are required to be solved is given by BODMAS rule, where B is for brackets, O is for OF operator, D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. So, if there is a bracket in this given expression, if there is a bracket, we will simplify the bracket first. Then if there is an OF operator, we will simplify the OF operation first. Then we will solve the division part. Then we will solve multiplication, then we will solve addition, and then we will solve the subtraction part. Now we'll see actual example. 6 minus 6 into bracket 9 minus 9 divided by 1 divided by into the bracket 2 into 6. So we will just rewrite the expression. Now first of all we need to solve the bracket. So we will solve this bracket first and this bracket first. So 6 as it is, 6 minus 6 as it is, 9 minus 9 is 0, divided by 1 divided by as it is, and 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So after that, now we will have this multiplication part. So 6 divided by 6 into 0 is 0, divided by 1 divided by 12. Now what we will do is, first of all we will solve the division. Let's say 0 into 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. That's why 6 minus 0 divided by 12 as it is. Then we have to solve this division. 0 divided by 12, which is equal to again 0. So 6 minus 0, which is equal to 6. So finally, the answer of this given expression, that is 6 minus 6 into 9 minus 9 divided by 1 divided by 2 into 6 is equal to 6. Now we'll move to second problem. 8 divided by 4 plus 6 minus 4 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 1. Now here also, first of all we need to solve the bracket. So we'll solve this bracket first, that is 8 divided by 4 plus 6 as it is, minus 4 divided by, now 3 minus 2 is 1, so divided by 1 and divided by 1, this divided by 1 as it is. Now in this expression there is no bracket, so we will solve the divisions first. So let's say this division we have solved. So 8 divided by 4 is 1, plus 6 as it is, minus 4 as it is, divided by 1 as it is. Now we have to solve this division. So let's say 2 plus 6 as it is, minus 4 divided by 1 is 4, and this divided by as it is. Now we will solve this division. So we have 2 plus 6 minus 4 divided by 1 is 4. Now we have to add, that is 2 plus 6 is 8 and 8 minus 4 is 4, and hence our final answer is this 4. So 8 divided by 4 plus 6 minus 4 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 1 is equal to 4. We will start with example number 3. 9 into 2 divided by 1 divided by 1 minus into the bracket 3 plus 9 divided by 1. So we will just write down the expression. Now 9 into 2 divided by 1 into 1 minus into the bracket 3 plus 9 divided by 1. We will solve this bracket first and then this bracket. 9 into 2, now divided by 1 divided by 1 is 1, minus 9 plus 3 will simplify this bracket. So 9 plus 3 is 12 divided by 1 as it is. Now we need to solve the division part. So we'll solve this division and this division. Hence we have 9 into, now 2 divided by 1 is 2 and minus 12 divided by 1 is 12. So we have 9 into 2 minus 12. Now we need to perform this multiplication, that is 9 into 2, which is equal to 18, and 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. So our final answer is 6, that is 9 into 2 divided by 1 minus 3 plus 9 divided by 1 is equal to 1, is equal to 6. We'll move to example number 4. 4 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 7 divided by, now here two brackets are used, divided by 2 divided by, into the bracket 6 plus 3 bracket complete. We just rewrite the example. 4 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 7 divided by 2 divided by 6 divided by 3. Now first of all we need to solve the innermost bracket, and this bracket is a single bracket, so we can solve this bracket simultaneously. So 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 minus 6 is 0. So the answer of the first bracket is 0. Then divided by 7 as it is, divided by, now first bracket as it is, 2 as it is, divided by. Only the thing is we have solved the second bracket, which is inner bracket, that is 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So we have 0 divided by 7 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now we need to solve this bracket. So we have 0 divided by 7 divided by 1. Now we need to perform the division in the given sequence, that is 0 divided by 7, which is equal to 0, and 0 divided by 1, which is equal to 0. So ultimately answer of this expression is just a 0. So 4 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 7 divided by 2 divided by 6 divided by 3 is equal to 0. We'll move to example number 5. 3 minus 6 minus 4 plus 10 divided by 10 plus 8 minus 4. 3 minus 6 minus 4 plus 10 divided by 10 plus 8 minus 4. Now first of all we'll solve this bracket. So we have 3 minus, now 6 minus 4 is 2, plus 10 divided by 10 plus 8 minus 4 as it is. Now we'll solve the division part first. So we have 3 minus 2 plus 1 plus 8 minus 4. And now addition subtraction. So 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 1 plus 8 minus 4. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 minus 4. That is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So your final answer is 6. Hence we can say 3 minus into the bracket 6 minus 4 bracket complete plus 10 divided by 10 plus 8 minus 4 is equal to 6. We'll move to example number 6 now. 10 minus 9 plus 6 plus 7 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1. We just rewrite the given expression. 10 minus 9 plus 6 plus 7 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Now here there is no bracket, no off operator, so simply we'll start with the division part. So we have 1 divided by 1. So 10 minus 9 plus 6 plus 7 into, now 1 divided by 1 is 1 and plus 1 as it is. Now we need to perform the multiplication. So we have 10 minus 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1, and now this addition subtraction we can directly find out the answer. So we have 10 minus 9 is equal to 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1. Now 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 7 plus 1, that is 15. So 10 minus 9 plus 6 plus 7 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is equal to 15. We'll move to example number 7. 1 into 6 divided by 3 divided by 2 into 9 divided by into the bracket 10 minus 1 bracket complete. Now we'll just rewrite the expression 1 into 6 divided by 3 divided by 2 into 9 divided by 10 minus 1. So first of all we'll simplify this bracket. So I have 1 into 6 divided by 3 divided by 2 into 9, and 10 minus 1 is 9. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Now we'll perform the division, but we need to perform this division first. So 1 into, now 6 divided by 3 is 2, 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 9 divided by 9. Now this division we need to perform. So 1 into 9 divided by 9. Now this 9 divided by 9. So 1 into 1 and final answer is 1. So we can say 1 into 6 divided by 3 divided by 2 into 9 divided by 10 minus 1 is equal to 1. We'll move to example number 8. 1 into the bracket 6 minus 5 into 2 minus 1 into 8 divided by 4. So we just need to solve 1 into 6 minus 5 into 2 minus 1 into 8 divided by 4. First of all we'll solve this bracket. So 1 into 1 into 2 minus 1 into 8 divided by 4. Now we need to solve this division. So 1 into 1 into 2 minus 1 into, now 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now we'll perform the multiplication. So this 1 into 1 into 2 is 2, minus sign as it is, and 2 into 1 into 2 is 2. So 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0, and hence we can say 1 into the bracket 6 minus 5 into 2 minus 1 into 8 divided by 4 is equal to 0. We'll move to second last problem of the video, that is example number 9. 8 divided by 2 divided by into the bracket 6 minus 4 minus into the bracket 8 minus 3, 8 minus into the bracket 9 minus 3, bracket complete, bracket complete. Now here multiple brackets are used, so we need to carefully simplify the brackets first. Now first thing is we need to simplify the bracket which is the innermost bracket. So 8 divided by 2 divided by, now this bracket I can solve simultaneously. So 8 divided by 2 divided by 2 minus into the bracket 8 minus 9 minus 3. So this bracket we will solve, that is 8 divided by 2 minus 8 minus 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now we need to solve this bracket. So 8 divided by 2 minus 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 divided by 2 minus 2. Now this 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So again final answer of the given expression 8 divided by 2 divided by into the bracket 6 minus 4 bracket complete minus open bracket 8 minus open bracket 9 minus 3 bracket complete is equal to 0. We'll solve last example of this video, that is example number 10. Opening bracket 1 minus 1 bracket complete divided by opening bracket 4 divided by 2 plus 6 plus 4 minus 2 bracket complete. So we just written 1 minus 1 into the bracket 1 minus 1 bracket complete divided by 4 divided by 2 plus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Now we need to solve this bracket. So 0 divided by 4 divided by 2 plus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Now within this bracket we need to solve the division. So 0 divided by 2 plus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Now we can find out answer of this bracket. So 0 divided by, now 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 minus 2 is 10. So 0 divided by 10, which is equal to 0. So finally 1 minus 1 divided by 4 divided by 2 plus 6 plus 4 minus 2. This expression when arranged with such kind of brackets will give you the answer as 0. Thank you students for watching the complete video. In this video we have seen how to solve expressions where multiple operations on fractions need to be simplified. If you have any difficulty, let me know in the comment box. I will soon get back to you on it. Stay tuned. In the next video we'll see some more practice problems and a new concept. Thank you.